Hi guys, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. How's everybody doing this afternoon? I am going to bring you guys in to show you my pantry meal. And the green beans came from the can, the Del Monte. The mashed potatoes are the Hungry Jack's country buttered mashed potatoes. So I have that, and of course the cube steak was in the freezer, and I made a little gravy with the onions and a little bit of flour. I made my roux, and here is my meal for today. Now guys, let me taste it. Look at that rich brown gravy. Those onions, onion gravy. And look at that. Let me taste it and tell you what it tastes like. It's so good, y'all. So good. And I'm going to taste a piece of the steak. It is tender. And the green beans are good. Let me tell you what I put in my green beans. I put a little piece of butter, well, margarine, and I added just a half a teaspoon of this, put some onion and garlic powder, and I added some parsley flakes and just a teaspoon of white granulated sugar. And they are so good. In the potatoes, I put a little pet milk and butter and mixed that up. And that was all I put in the potatoes. I think I may have put a little, I put a little parsley flakes in those and maybe a little bit of white pepper. And you just season to your liking. That's what I do. I didn't show you how to fix the meal because everything on this plate I have fixed before. And you can go and look at a video, a past video. But this is so scrumptious, y'all. It is so delicious. It is a pantry meal. One of those quick meals that didn't take very long. And look at those onions. Look at that. Through and through. So flavorful. I'm telling y'all. It is absolutely delicious. So I'm going to go on and eat my meal. And I'll talk to you guys soon. This is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. Please like, share, subscribe, give the thumbs up. And by all means, ring that notification bell to be reminded of all upcoming videos. Now, I will talk to you guys soon. A simple pantry meal. Just potatoes in the pack and green beans in the can. And, of course, my cube steak from the freezer. This is it, y'all. Talk to you soon.